Hello. In the last video we saw how can we implement the remove method, and I forgot to mention a point in my last video. So in today's video I want to explain what I've missed. So we saw that the Microsoft the node Microsoft uh, is now pointing to the Google node, and we have removed the node Yahoo from this linked list. So initially the Microsoft was referencing to Yahoo, and Yahoo was then pointing towards Google, and we changed the reference of this node, but the node Yahoo is still referencing to Google, right? So so, the, so this reference still exists. So this reference still exists because we have changed the reference of Microsoft's node but not the Yahoo node. So this will not be removed. We have to do this manually or by using the code. So we just need to write these few statements to do that. So what we will do is, if we have reached the Microsoft's node, so we are standing at this position and the pointer is pointing to this node, and here now what I will say is node, I'll get the reference of Yahoo because I will then make this node pointing to the Google, then this reference will not be valid. So we want to take its reference. So node, and I'll say node to remove equals current dot get list. Now node to remove have the Yahoo node, and then after doing this get next dot get next, what I'll do, node to remove dot set next to null. Right now I have nullified this reference, so it's no more exists. And also what I'll do is node to remove equals null. Right, we just need to write these three statements. First we will get the reference like this, and then what we will do, we will set the current node to point to the Google's node, and then we will nullify the node's next reference, and then we will also nullify the Yahoo's node also, this one, right? So this is the statement, this is the direction that I wanted to I missed that in my last video. I want to make that clear now. Thank you for watching.